Hello my beautiful people, you welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to prepare buttercream for wedding cake. Buttercream for wedding cake. Like this channel, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, turn to the notification button to know when I upload another video. Thank you. Yeah guys, making this icing sugar or buttercream for wedding cake. These are the recipes. My icing sugar, this is 700 grams, and you have to sieve your icing sugar to make it smooth. Then I'm using 250 grams of margarine or butter. So you make sure you measure it. I've done the measurements. So the next thing now is to beat my butter. You beat your butter and it will turn white before adding the icing sugar. You can use your mixer to mix your butter, but here I'm going to use hand to mix it. You need your round bowl with your wooden stick. Then the butter now